Today we're taking a first look at one of the most anticipated cameras of the year, the brand new Insta360 Luna Ultra. If you've been following the camera world lately, you've probably heard the buzz around this camera. Insta360 is stepping into the premium gimbal camera market, and they're aiming directly at DJI with a camera that packs some impressive technology into a compact package. Let's open it up and see exactly what comes in the box. Right away, the packaging feels premium. Insta360 has done a great job making this feel like a flagship product from the moment you pick it up. Opening the box, the first thing we see is the Luna Ultra itself. And wow, this camera looks sleek. The Luna Ultra features a dual camera system with Leica engineered optics, including a large 1-inch sensor and a dedicated telephoto lens. One of the biggest selling points here is that you get both incredible image quality and zoom flexibility in a compact device. Let's set the camera aside for just a moment and see what else is included. Underneath, we have the documentation and quick start guides. I always recommend keeping these handy, especially with a camera that has as many features as this one. Next up is the charging cable. Depending on which bundle you purchased, you may also find accessories such as the protective cover, wrist strap, handle, or additional creator-focused accessories. We'll take a closer look at those in a moment. Now let's get back to the star of the show. Taking a closer look at the Luna Ultra, one of the first things you'll notice is the detachable OLED control module. This is a really unique feature. Not only does it function as your screen and controls, but it can also act as a wireless remote when detached from the camera. That opens up a lot of creative possibilities for solo creators, vloggers, and filmmakers. The camera itself feels very solid in the hand. Up top, you'll find the dual lens system mounted on a 3-axis gimbal designed to keep your footage smooth and stable while you're walking, traveling, or creating content on the go. The main camera is capable of recording up to 8K video, while the telephoto lens allows you to zoom in on distant subjects without carrying additional gear. For creators who care about image quality, the Luna Ultra also supports professional features like Dolby Vision, HDR, 10-bit recording, iLog color profiles, and Leica color science. That's pretty impressive for something that can fit in your pocket. Around the body, you'll find the power button, recording controls, charging port, and storage options. Everything feels thoughtfully laid out and easy to access. One thing I'm really excited to test is Insta360's AI-powered tracking system. The Luna Ultra includes deep track technology, which should make it easier to keep subjects locked in frame while filming yourself or moving subjects. That could be a huge advantage for vloggers and content creators who often work alone. Another thing worth mentioning is the battery life. Insta360 claims up to 4 hours of runtime, which is excellent for a compact camera like this. That means less time charging and more time creating. Overall, my first impressions are extremely positive. The Luna Ultra feels like a serious step forward for Insta360. Between the dual Leica engineered cameras, 8K video capabilities, mechanical stabilization, wireless control screen, AI tracking, and premium build quality, this camera appears to be packed with features that creators have been asking for. Over the next few weeks, I'll be putting this camera through its paces with real-world testing, comparisons, sample footage, low-light tests, and much more. So if you're considering picking up the Insta360 Luna Ultra, make sure you're subscribed because those videos are coming soon. If you enjoyed this unboxing, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment below letting me know what you'd like me to test first, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.